Hey, how you doing? Hope you're having a great week. So this is Tommy here from Trading with Harmony. So I'm going to be analysing the markets then for this week coming, which will be the 30th of November to the 4th of December. So I'll see you straight after the intro. Thanks. Alrighty then, so here we go with the euro dollar. So we can see here then the actual market then has been making higher highs, yeah. So this is the higher high, yeah. So let's go into the actual 4 hours and have a look at our setups. Okay, so last week then we actually we finished here at this level here, yeah. Okay, and what I was talking about, if we can get a pullback into this structural level here, being the actual 1.1768, what we were looking for then was a move back up north. So it did hit our TP this level, being the 1.1906. So if you're on that, guys, well done. So for this week then, what we are looking for then, quite possibly we're going to get a bit of a actual retracement, quite possibly into this level here, and then we're looking for a move back up north to hit our new TP level, being the actual 1.2028 in the euro dollar. Okay, so the pound dollar then is doing exactly the same as the actual euro dollar, so it's making higher highs here. Plus then it's after finishing over our actually weekly bearish trend line as well, and it's still in our ascending channel moving north. So let's go into the actual 4 hours and have a look at our setups. Okay, so last week then we finished here at this level here. Okay, and what I was talking about then actually was we would have looked for to hit our TP level, which it did. So it went up, it's pretty much stormed up. You can see the actual engulfing candle here that actually at the start of Monday finished over our actually weekly bearish trend line. So and it just continued straight up and hit our target there early Monday, right up here, and hit our actually 1.3360. So for this week then, what we're looking for then is actually where price here is at the moment. You can see here is that our actually bearish trend line finished here for the actual the end of the week. So what we're looking for then, quite possibly we're going to get a bit more of a actual retracement, probably into this actually structural level here. Once it holds at this structural level here at the 1.3180, we're looking for a move back up north then to hit our new TP level, being the actual 1.3430. Okay, so the dollar yen then, we can see here that we're still in our actual descending channel. So price is continuing to move actually down. So basically what we are looking at then is for a move down south. So let's go into our setups then and see how we're doing. So last week then we finished at this level here. What I was talking about, if we can get a bit more of a retracement back up into this structural level, and then we're looking for a move to continue back down south to hit our TP level. So that's what we're still looking for this week then, to hit our TP, being the 103.48 in the dollar yen. Okay, so the dollar Canadian then, we can still see here that actually price is continuing to go down south, and it's just touching our actually weekly support here as well. So let's go into the 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point here. And what I was talking about then, if we can get a bit more of a pullback and then to continue down south. So it did, it continued down south and hit our TP, being the actual 1.3010. So if you're on that, guys, well done. So now for this week then, what we're looking at then is quite possibly we're going to get a bit more of a retracement back into this kind of level here, and then we're looking for price to continue back down south to hit our new TP level at the 1.2942 in the dollar Canadian. Okay, so the pound Aussie then, we can see here then actually on Monday this candle here, it actually shot up north. So then for the rest of the week then it's just been going down south, yeah. Okay, so let's go into the 4 hours and have a look at our setups. Okay, so last week then we finished here at this level here, okay. And what I was talking about then was for a price to continue up north to hit our TP. So it did, it continued up and hit our TP, and then it pretty much then just snowballed then for the rest of the week down south. Okay, so and whilst it has happened, if you can see here, we have it actually a head and actual shoulder pattern then that happened as well, yeah. So, and that has been completed then as well. Okay, so for this week coming then, what we're looking for then, quite possibly what we're going to get is a bit of a retracement back into this kind of level here, and once it holds basically at this structural level here being the 1.8240, I'm looking for a move down south, so straight down to hit our new TP level, hopefully this week or beyond, which will be the 1.7885 in the pound Aussie. Okay, so the euro yen here in the actual weekly here, we can see here that actually this week the actual euro yen has been a bullish week, so it actually opened and just continued with a bullish week. So let's go into the actual daily. So we can see here then is right at the top of our actually descending channel as well. So it looks like this week coming is going to break that and continue up north. So let's go into the actual 4 hours and have a look at our setups. So last week then we were finished here at this point here, and what we were looking for was for a move down south before it continued back up. So it actually basically it shot up and has been going up all week. So it's right now just touching our actually descending channel, looking like it's going to break it this week coming. So what we're looking at for this week then is actually quite possibly we might get a straight away, just keep going north the whole time, but we might get a pullback into this kind of level here. Once it holds here at this structural level here, being the actual 123.49, we're looking for it to continue up north to hit our new TP level, being the actual 125.06 in the euro yen. So in gold then, we can see here then actually last week I was talking about here, once this actual support actually holds, we were looking for a move up north, but we can see here that, and actually the actual Monday a big engulfing candle had broken that actually structural level and straight down to our actually the bottom part of our ascending channel, and then just Friday just broke that again, yeah. So we obviously were in a actual a bearish move for the actual gold at the moment. So let's go into the 4 hours and have a look at our set. Okay, so we can see here then that actually the 4 hour big engulfing candle have broken our actually support level here, being the 1960, and then it's just been actually you can see here then again on the bottom part of our actually ascending channel, then it just on Friday just big huge engulfing candle again. So what we're looking at then for this week then is actually a bit more of a actual pullback into this actually area here, and once it holds here at the bottom part of our ascending channel, and we're looking for a move then to continue down south to our new TP level, being the actual 1748 in gold. Okay, so in the actual Dow, the Dow Jones, and in the weekly here, we can see here then we'll come into new territory again, and the actual is all-time high of over 30,180 or something like that. So the thing is then, let's go into our daily. We can see here and the bulls are still in play. So let's go into the 4 hours and have a look at our setups. Okay, so last week then we finished here at this level here. What I was talking about, if we can get, we were looking for one more move down actually south, but you can see here this big engulfing candle had broken our actually resistance line, being the 27,230, and this continued up northward. So for this week then, what we're looking for then, once price holds here at this actually structural level, being the 27,230, we're looking for a price to continue up north to hit our new TP level, being the 30,250 in the Dow. Alright guys, then, so that's it then for another week. So hope you are getting great value out of that, so let us know. And don't forget guys, if you already haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, really appreciate that. So it just helps me to grow the channel and to keep posting these videos every week, so that would be great. Thank you very much. Alright then, so that's it then. So have a great week coming, and I'll talk to you next week. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.